Aloha kako. How's it? Bob Rogers here. We're back here at Castles Point in Kailua Bay on the east side of Oahu. We had an easterly swell come through the islands this week, which generally means larger waves along the windward coast. So I headed back here to Castles hoping we'd see good waves for kayak surfing. Oh my gosh, it's awesome. The bay is crowded with dozens and dozens of surfers and good-sized waves rolling across the channel to my childhood surf spot we called Castles. My first wave is my biggest ever on a kayak. It's steep and I need only a few paddles to catch it. I dodge the surfers around me as I drop into a beautiful wave. I can feel the lip on the wave of my shoulder as I slide down the face and the kayak plows through the foam. This is the ideal location for a surfer. The wave is crashing upon me as I lean into the foam and extend my paddle to keep me upright.
Wave is my paradise now that you're gone. Where are those haunted eyes you were?
As the wave nears the shore break, it increases in size for one last push, and I somehow survive the onslaught.
I miss your hula hands that sang and danced for me. Your caress in the night under that palm tree.
Boy, am I one happy camper.
Ooh, Waikiki, where I first.
The next wave is not as big, but still a good size. I'm sharing the wave with a surfer off to my left. One of the advantages of surfing with a kayak is I get to take off further out than everybody else because I have a very buoyant craft with little drag, and I am propelled by two paddles much bigger than a surfer's hand. So that means I get to catch more waves, get them earlier than everybody else. No, I can't duck under the waves when paddling out, but I can plow through smaller waves pretty good and then paddle much faster than the surfers or the stand-up surfers to get back out to the lineup. My third wave is my most crowded wave as surfers dot the water ahead of me. I think I've got the turning down and find my way along the collapsing face of the wave. The surfers help out as they eagerly paddle to get away from the crazy old man on the bright orange kayak.
My paradise now that you're gone. Where are those haunted eyes? You were the one for me. Ooh.
After an hour and a half of sliding on good waves, I'm ready to head back home. What a great day. Well, what's next? We'll see. I hear Kahana's breaking with this big swell we're seeing here. It only breaks once or twice a year and has super long walls that stretch 3/4 of a mile across the bay. Bigger and longer, but super crowded. Dare I try? Hey, you guys have a great week. Be healthy, safe, and happy. Aloha.
Sands of Sioux.